Hi everyone! Today we're gonna make my favorite chocolate chip cookies. So here's a list of the ingredients: butter, brown sugar, and white sugar, egg, vanilla, and flour, baking soda, and salt, and chocolate chip cookies and sprinkles. Now we need to pour the sugar inside of this bowl. The batter is ready like this. Now I'm going to put eggs in it and a vanilla. Vanilla. Oh. Now I'm gonna mix. Or agitate. Salt and baking soda inside the flour. Now I'm gonna put flour inside of this batter. Put the chocolate chips inside of this bowl. Now I'm gonna mix. Now the cookie dough is ready. Now I'm gonna roll it. You can use your hands, but I prefer to use this ice cream cube. And you just need to roll it a little bit. It's not that even. Now that the cookie doughs are ready, I put sprinkles on it to make it cute. My mom's gonna put the cookie dough in the preheated oven. I'm gonna save some inside the freezer in case I have a bad emergency date. So my cookies are ready. I hope they look yummy. Yummy. See the full ingredient on the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.